Hey, how you doing? Justin Sandico here. Welcome to my main YouTube channel where I put all my guitar lessons. Now, if you're over here, you're on YouTube, and I gotta tell you, there's lots and lots of confusing stuff over here on YouTube. There is so much guitar content. A lot of it has absolutely no structure at all, and actually, a lot of it's pretty distracting as well. While you're trying to focus on one thing, there's this other little bit of clickbait there hovering just in the corner to try and just take you away from what you should be doing, which is practicing. So, I'd really recommend that you head over to JustinGuitar.com, where all of my lessons, all of my songs are organized for you into structured courses. We've got amazing tools like the Practice Assistant, where you can keep track of all of the stuff that you should be practicing and keep track of your statistics and all that sort of stuff as well. It's super cool. We got tabs for most of the songs that you can get into. If you're a beginner, do go and check out my beginner song course app as well. It's like all of my beginner lessons and the song lessons, but as well with play along karaoke stuff, which will really help you if you're struggling with strumming or any of that sort of stuff. Stop you developing bad habits with your rhythm. I think it's a pretty massively cool tool. But if you're sticking around on YouTube, appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, because I do live sessions and Q&As and stuff like that over here as well. So do that, and then head over to the website, sign up. It's free to become a registered user, and you get loads of access to PDF downloads and heaps of other fun stuff. So I'm sure you're going to love it. I'll see you for plenty more very soon. Take care of yourselves. Have a fantastic day. Bye.